Hello everyone, I am Hajira, Nakshatra 916 Golden Diamonds, Dubai. Today I am going to show you very beautiful kids earrings collections, that is hanging earring collections. Let's go to the detailed video. First design, I am going to show you a very beautiful hanging earrings collection for kids, small girls. You can see here very beautiful design. You can wear it as a only stud. If you want to use it as daily wear, you can use only stud, and if you want to go outside parties and all, you can use the hangings. Separately you can wear hangings and stud. Lightweight collection starting from 1.3 grams. This one only 2.4 grams. This one only 2.4 grams. Next design, I am showing you very beautiful circle design, one hangings earrings, small beaded work also there, very beautiful design. This one comes only 1.69 grams, only 1.69 grams this one. Next one I am showing you very beautiful lotus design, one earrings collection, hanging earrings collection. You can see here very beautiful design. Lotus design is there, you can see here. This one also you can wear it as a separate stud and hanging separately, you can wear it. Also you can wear it together. This one only 2.2 grams, 2.2 grams. Next one I am showing you very beautiful one jhumka model hangings earrings collection. You can see here small hangings attached, one small beaded work chain also there. Very beautiful design. This one is jhumka model small design hanging earrings collection. You can see here, look at here, very beautiful jhumka model hanging earrings collection for kids. Very beautiful design, cute design. You can see here small 3 chains hangings is here, one small beaded work also given. Very beautiful design, cute design. 1.700, the only weight comes 1.700. Look at this next design. I am showing you very beautiful hanging earrings. This one hanging attached one, no separate stud and all. You can see here oval shape design is there. Small beaded work also given here. Very beautiful design. This one only 1.59 grams. Next design I am showing you very beautiful diamond shape earrings. Very beautiful design. You can see here small 2 chains hangings given here. Small beaded work also given here. Small balls given here. Very beautiful design. This all comes under lightweight collection starting from 1.3 grams. You can get 1 grams earrings also. This one comes only 2.6 grams. 2.6 grams. Look at this very beautiful cute one jhumka model hanging earring. You can see here very beautiful design. Small balls also given. Small bead work here. You can inside this jhumka model hanging. Very beautiful design. We have lot of collections available in our Al Nada shop. Visit our shop Al Nada to Dubai. Last design I am going to show you very beautiful one circle design, one hanging earrings. This one separate stud and separate hangings comes. Very beautiful design. Small beaded work given here. You can see here hangings beaded. One small golden color beaded given here. Very beautiful design. We have lot of collections available in our Al Nada shop. Visit our shop Al Nada to Dubai. Thank you for watching our video. If you like any of our earrings collections, kids hanging earrings collections, it's available in our Al Nada shop. Visit our shop Al Nada to Dubai, Nesto Mall, first floor, Nakshatra Jewelry. Also, you can do online shopping in India, all over India delivery available. Within 8 days, you can get the delivery. If you want to watch more videos, more collections, do subscribe our YouTube channel. Follow Instagram, TikTok and Facebook. If you want to do online shopping, contact 9846361916. See you again in next videos. Signing off, Hajira. Bye bye.